Pirobloc has developed a modulated control system for the operation of multiple thermal oil heaters. This system allows the power of the boilers to be adapted continuously to the instant real requirements of the installation. This system manages several heaters, balancing the generation of the different equipment according to the heat demand, with consequent energy savings. The heaters are hydraulically connected in parallel. As consumer heat demand increases, the power of heater 1 increases accordingly. When the heat requirement of the process consumers continues to increase, the second heater will automatically be connected, also in a modulated way, and a third one if necessary. Similarly, when the heat demand drops, the heaters will automatically modulate their power down to a total stop. This system makes it possible to optimize the electricity and fuel consumption of a circuit and generate significant energy savings.